to another tutorial by Weptech Academy. So in this tutorial we'll be talking more on shapes, and we'll be looking at the shape builder tool, an amazing tool. So let's say last time we basically had the limited options of shape. We couldn't really edit shapes as we wanted to. So we'll be diving more deep into using shapes. So let's say I want to create the head of Mickey Mouse. So Mickey Mouse basically has 2 ears and a head. So Alt to duplicate, Alt, duplicate this also. I adjust this. Alright, so here's the head of Mickey Mouse. So these are acting as separate shapes, and you don't want these to be like this. So there are 2 options to solve this. Either you group or you use the shape builder tool. So I'll go ahead and change the colors of this, and the stroke will be black. So now with the grouping style, the shapes are still separate, because if you use the direct selection tool, you'll be able to display something from it, so which you will not like that to happen. So we have to merge all the shapes. We use the shape builder tool for that. First of all, ungroup this. Now you select the 3 shapes which you want to build, and now with the shape builder tool we have a plus icon on it. So when it shows the plus icon, it means you basically want to merge shapes or to create separate shapes from the different sections which it's going to highlight. So if I click this, let me change the color of this. Now if I click this, you see this shape becomes different from all others. So I have this which came out from here. That's how the shape builder tool seals things. So I'll undo this and I'll select all of these shape builder tool, and I would love to merge all of these. So I begin here, just click and pull in the areas which you want to merge. So everything is merged. It's no longer acting as separate groups. If I take the tool, you see everything is one. It's already merged. So now I want to just go ahead and create a nose for him. A mouth. Duplicate this and let's use the shape builder. First of all, select. I'll use the shape builder tool, and to delete all these other parts you need to hold Alt. When it's an Alt, you see there's a minus there, so it basically means you want to remove parts of shapes. So you just click and drag, and there I have that out. So I'll change the color of this to white, and I can place this in here. So here is my guy. I'll remove stroke, and there. So this guy is still acting as separate, so I want to merge this. So I will select both and I hold Alt to delete this. So now I have this shape. You see I have this beautiful looking shape. So this is basically how to use the shape builder tool. So thank you very much for following up. See you next.